My name is Beatriz Cortez. I'm an artist from El Salvador. I live in Los Angeles. My work in the exhibition is titled Chultún El Semillero, and it is inspired by ancient spaces called chultunes, or what we might imagine as cisterns that were carved in the bedrock of the peninsula that we now call Yucatan by the ancient Maya. And in these spaces, they oftentimes stored water, but also stored other precious possessions like the bones of their ancestors and other things that they needed for survival and for spirituality. And in this case, Chultún El Semillero is a space capsule for seeds, but it also is connected to another chamber that carries a garden. And together they travel and contribute to the survival of ancient plants indigenous to the Americas, such as corn, beans, sorghum, amaranth, and quinoa. And they are accompanied by a carved stone that carries a formula for the distribution of seeds. This formula was created in collaboration with my brother, a mathematician, Ricardo Cortez, who works at Tulane University. When we were making this formula, we were thinking about the possibility of the distribution of the vaccine being democratic and accessible to all. We made it in times of pandemic, and so the formula for the distribution of seeds is also thinking about a future moment. If we did not have access to seeds, who should get the seeds first? Who would be able to preserve them, to multiply them, to make sure that we have seeds surviving in the future for our own survival? The space capsule is made out of steel. The steel comes from industrialized processes, and it comes to my studio in sheets, but we beat the industrialization out of the steel so that it can once again become organic and return to the earth, and return to being organic, return to being an important part of this planet, even as a space capsule that is elsewhere. It carries with it a garden, just like the earth carries our gardens in the cosmos.